Do you want to start earning money from your YouTube channel? In this video, I will show you the complete YouTube monetization process step by step, from meeting the requirements to setting up your payment method. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important step. Part 1. YouTube Monetization Requirements. To join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP, your channel must meet at least one of these requirements. Option 1. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. Option 2. Instead of watch hours, you can qualify with 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views within the last 90 days. Additional requirements. Besides subscribers and views, your channel must also follow all YouTube monetization policies, have no active community guideline strikes, and enable two-step verification on your Google account. Part 2. Complete YPP application steps. Step 1. Enable two-step verification. First, enable two-step verification on your Google account. This adds extra security and is required before applying for monetization. Step 2. Go to YouTube Studio. Next, open YouTube Studio. On the left side menu, click Earn or Monetization, then click Apply. Step 3. Accept YPP terms. Read and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms and conditions carefully. You must agree to these terms before continuing. Step 4. Create and connect AdSense. Now, create a Google AdSense account or connect an existing one. This is where YouTube will send your earnings. Step 5. Identity verification. YouTube may ask you to verify your identity using a national ID, passport, or driver's license. Step 6. Submit tax information. After identity verification, submit your tax information and required tax forms. Make sure the information is correct to avoid payment issues. Step 7. Address verification and payment method. Finally, Google will send a PIN code to your address for verification. Once verified, add your bank account or other payment method to receive your YouTube earnings. After completing all these steps, YouTube will review your channel. If your channel follows all policies, monetization will be approved and ads will start appearing on your videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, comment below if you want more tutorials about YouTube growth, monetization, and content creation. Thanks for watching.